Hey, how are you? How can you establish dharma on this planet? How it is possible to establish dharma on this planet? The system right now running on this planet, it's based on other. It's totally against the dharma. And if I say in other words, you know, if I say, you know, in other words, like nature of democracy. Nature of democracy is adharma. And if I'm talking about the economy, so economy of democracy is very much depends on machines and science and technology. What science and technology offering right now? And it's totally against the nature, against the dharma. And on the other hand, if I'm talking about monarchy, kingdom, so monarchy has ability, where you can live according to the dharma. Monarchy can run, a system that is according to the dharma. So monarchy has ability. And if I'm talking about economy of the monarchy, so it's very much depends on living beings, animals, cultivation, water sources, etc., etc. Its direct depends on nature. Monarchy can run a system that totally depends on nature. So monarchy has ability where you can live according to the dharma, where you can live peacefully. Because right now, if I'm, there are a lot of aspect you can talk. Like if I'm talking about the wealth, so maximum wealth of the world owned by very few percent of people. And there are a lot of people who is sleeping hungry, They don't have home, food, and. So if I'm talking about monarchy, so kings, it's a king's responsibility ensure that no one sleeps hungry. If there's anyone who's suffering, who's have any kind of problem, so it's king's responsibility to take care. And it's must. And now it's necessary, it's must to establish monarchy again, kingdom again. It's must to establish monarchy again. It's must to establish monarchy again. If you want to peace on this planet,